The Taylor Homes construction process follows a proven checkpoint system built into every phase. A knowledgeable construction representative is assigned to your home and is responsible for overseeing each phase. The construction team building your home will follow a logical step-by-step process that has a natural flow. Many quality checklists are put in place to ensure that strict quality standards are achieved. Your personal construction representative will be your primary point of contact, and they'll make sure you are informed and involved every step of the way. In fact, you'll be provided their contact information to simplify the communication process.